You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce the full form of KPMG? Alright, it's known as KPMG as a brand and a company and a group, but what does it stand for? What is the meaning behind it? And how do you pronounce it? So the pronunciation is as Klynveld Peat, Klynveld Peat Marwick, and Goerdeler. So overall, KPMG stands for Klynveld Peat Marwick Goerdeler. I know it's a mouthful. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.